guys, welcome back to Elysian the Great, and today we're talking about the coronavirus and how your phone is going to bring about coronavirus into your life. This is a mobile device, and in our society, this is the device we use most of the time. The novel corona that brings about the respiratory disease called the COVID-19 and the mobile phone have a lot to do with each other. Why? Because the mobile phone is the device that we use most of the times in our society. This is the phone you wake up in the morning to check your alarm. It's the phone that you go about your day checking time and keeping your schedules. It's the phone that when you have a dinner date, you're there waiting for your date to come by. It's the phone when you have a doctor's appointment and you're sitting there waiting for the doctor, you're on your phone. You are on your phone on an average day, you're on your phone like 50 times. You check your phone 50 times and you hold this phone and place it on very many different services. So your hand is a culprit in making your phone dirty because you use your hands to touch your phone. So we agree that you've been told to clean our hands and wash them for at least 20 seconds with soap. And if we do not have soap, we should use with some alcohol-based sanitizers with 60% alcohol. That is what do you call it? Okay, forgot the name, alcohol. But has anyone talked about cleaning our phones? We need to have our phones clean. You've cleaned your hands, but you've not cleaned your phone. You know that the coronavirus can stick on a service, any service, for up to 9 days. Yeah, the various days are on an active, like maybe where the temperatures are high in 12 hours, but on some services like a phone, it can actually stay on your phone for up to 9 days. So you place this phone somewhere, you go wash your hands and come pick it up. You got the germs on your hands, and this phone is going to have at least 30,000 different types of bacteria. This is the phone that has all that dust. You go to the washrooms and you're idling and you decide you're going to play a game. When you flush the toilet, do you know whenever you flush a toilet, there's a bacteria called E. coli and it just spreads all over. It gets even on your phone. So we've talked about washing our hands, and we're all saying wash your hands for at least 20 seconds with soap. And if you do not have access to soap, use sanitizers. But is anyone talking about cleaning our phones? Our phones could actually be the thing that is going to bring corona into our lives. So how do you go about cleaning your phone? A phone is very sensitive because the screen and the components do not have are very sensitive to harsh components. So what you need to know about your phone is that one of the things that you can use to clean your phone without having to worry about damaging the screen or damaging the interiors or any of the ports is hand wipes, basic wipes. And you can actually make sure that my wipes, these are baby wipes, and they say no paraben and no alcohol. But if you're going to use, these are good enough, they can actually do a good job. I am redefining the terms of having my hands full. So how do you clean your phone to ensure that it's disinfected and it's corona free? Let me show you how you go about it. So take your phone and remove the cover. Yeah, I had something on my phone. Once you remove the cover, place the cover aside. Okay, let's just hold it because we do not want to spread any dust from the phone. Then take your wipes. I have a wipe in hand, but you can take let's take a fresh wipe. With your wipe, take some soap. If you do not have a hand wash, take some soap and lather the soap onto the white wipe. The white wipe is wet, so when you apply some soap, it's going to have some lather effect. Then clean your phone. If you have access to hand wash, it's actually better. Just smear a little hand wash onto your white wipe. Then let's do this. Lather the wipe till it has this soapy effect. See this? All soapy. Then when it's all soapy like that, take your phone and remember to have your cover in hand. Excuse me, I'm dropping items. Then clean your phone. Take your time. Clean your phone, the front and the back. Once you clean your phone, try not to squeeze because the wipes have some water. You're just using it lightly. This is how you're going to clean your phone. And then once you're done with that, take the cover. For those people whose phones have covers, and do the same. Clean the cover of the phone. Now your wipe has some soap, and that is good enough because it is disinfecting. This is how you disinfect. So you do this, you clean the whole thing perfectly, taking your time, no rush. You just came from work, you have time. Then Then take another wet wipe that now doesn't have any soap and doesn't have any hand wash. This is what you're going to use to now wipe this. Since it's all lathered with soap, wipe it nicely to remove the soap. Take your time. Nobody is going to be like on your case because of cleaning your phone. Wipe it nicely. You could leave it to dry if you're patient, especially the covers. Leave them to dry. And your phone, your hands are clean. Remember, you start with washing your hands. Now you're on your phone. Wipe your phone. Voila. And it's clean. It's disinfected. And now this is a phone that's corona free. See, that's how you clean your phone. Do this in the evenings. Do this anytime you've been up and about with your phone. When you come back to your house, take a minute and clean your phone. Remember, your phone could mean if you're corona free or if you're corona positive or if you're corona negative. That's how you clean and disinfect your mobile phone to ensure that you are not going to catch COVID-19 from your mobile device. Do this with all the electronics that you handle on a normal day. Maybe you have a couple of mobile phones, phone tablets by keys. If they're going up and about with them, this is how you clean mobile devices to ensure they're disinfected and 100% clean. As soon as you get home, clean your phone. Try and also be careful on where you're placing your phone. To try and make sure that it doesn't get as much dirt as it would on an average day. At the same time, avoid as much as you can going to the washrooms with your phone. Did you also know that the thing that is as okay, in a household setting, the other item that is as dirty as a phone is actually a doorknob. It's not as dirty, but it's close to the dirt that is found on a phone. While a phone contains 30,000 different bacteria, a doorknob contains 8,000 different types of bacteria per square inch. So the other thing that is very dirty in your house is always the toilet seats. The toilet seat has like 1,000 different types of bacteria. And then there's the kitchen service. And the people who have pets, the feeding, the pet bowls are also very, very dirty. So if you're going to enhance hygiene to avoid the coronavirus, you need to know that this device could actually mean corona positive or corona negative. So how you're handling your phone and how you're cleaning your phone is very important. Don't wash your hands and say, oh, my hands are clean, let me pick up my phone. You pick up your phone, and if this phone had any form of contact with the coronavirus, you definitely will catch the coronavirus. So as you are diligently cleaning your hands, make a point of trying to also clean your phone. Keep your phone clean because this is the device that we are most attached to. So with that, let me ask you, is your phone keeping you away from corona, or is my phone actually my corona? These are Elysian the Great, and that's corona version on how to handle your phone and how your phone could actually be leading to corona. Yeah, we appreciate, like the president said, we stop using cash and try using the mobile banking. But if we're going to use the mobile banking, we're going to be using our phones. So if we're going to be depending on these devices you need to be disinfected and need to be as clean as our hands. So clean your hands, clean your mobile. And that's how you're going to fight corona, Kenya. These are Elysian the Great. Comment, like, subscribe, and share. Let's grow the Elysian family and let's fight corona because it's possible and we actually will. Till next time, remember you're beautiful within and without. Adios, amigos. Bye-bye.